Are you looking for the best snow blowers? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best snow blowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 156/64 Snow Blaster Electric Snow Thrower. This WEN unit costs significantly less than our other blower options but should still be a valuable alternative to using a snow shovel. It's not as portable as cordless options. You'll need to plug it into your home's power outlet and may want to look into purchasing an extension cord along with it for added mobility. Since it's better suited for walkways and decks, this limitation should be less of an issue. The WEN 56/64 Snow Blaster has a simple chute adjustment system and a convenient electric quick start, 2 features our experts specifically recommended to look for. A rotating crank handle allows you to swivel the chute up to 180 degrees, and a separate spring-loaded lever adjusts the arc height of the snow being thrown. Another valuable feature of this blower is its lightweight design, which makes it much more comfortable to push and steer than heavier models. If you don't have a lot of space to clear, it's much more practical to move a 32-pound machine than one weighing twice as much, especially considering it's not self-propelled. You'll appreciate its light weight if you plan on carrying it up a set of stairs to clear off a deck. Plus, the collapsible frame makes it convenient to store once spring rolls around. Number 2. EGO SNT 2102 Cordless Electric Snow Blower. Even though it might lack the raw power of a gas model, EGO's battery-powered blower is still packed with a nice amount of useful features. A pair of LED headlights make it ideal for use in low light conditions. Your neighbors will thank you since it's significantly quieter than its gas-powered counterparts, and it doesn't emit any odors. It's powerful enough to handle depths of up to 10 inches and will launch snow a nice medium distance away. We're also big fans of the fact that this blower includes 2 5.0Ah batteries, allowing you to keep one on the charger while you're working. These 2 batteries, combined with the 40-minute charging time on the rapid charger, mean you won't need to worry about running out of juice while working. The convenient LED charging indicator makes it easy to know how much time is left before they're fully charged. This blower is also convenient for those short on storage space, thanks to a foldable handle that collapses down. The main drawback is that the EGO SNT 2102 is not self-propelled, so you'll have to use a bit more elbow grease when using this blower. We consider it a great choice for areas with relatively light snowfalls and homeowners who don't want to deal with messy fuel. Number 3. Greenworks 12-inch Cordless Electric Snow Shovel. Although it's technically not a snow blower, this power shovel from Greenworks could be a great choice for those who lack the space for a larger machine. Its 12-inch width isn't practical for large areas, but this compact size does make it a versatile option for tasks that bulkier blowers wouldn't be able to handle, like clearing narrow pathways. It's also easier to carry up and down the stairs to clear off an elevated deck. A secondary, weed whacker-style handle makes it comfortable to use and should help maintain control and reduce arm fatigue as you go. Best of all, it will take up about the same amount of space as a shovel. The Greenworks electric snow shovel will require more effort than a self-propelled snow blower but should still be much more comfortable than a standard snow shovel. Plus, it launches snow further than you could on your own. We've used various Greenworks